Hello people, good morning to you all. How are you today? Let's go for a trip to Gunma City in Japan. So what they have in Gunma City? Gunma is a mountainous, landlocked prefecture on Japan's Honshu Island. It is known for its hot spring or onsen in Japanese and ski areas. The small town of Kusatsu has more than 100 hot springs, most famously Yobatake. Yobatake is a large pool fed by streaming mineral water gushing down on a wooden chute, set 1,200 meters above. The ancient province of Gunma was a center of horse breeding and trading activities for the newly immigrated continental peoples. And now we are entering Maebashi. Gunma's modern industries include transport equipment and electrical equipment concentrated around Maebashi, eastern region nearest in Tokyo. In the past, Gunma was joined with Tochigi Prefecture and called Kinu Province. This was later divided into Kaminitsuke, Upper Kinu Gunma, and Shimotsuke, Lower Kinu Tochigi. The area is sometimes referred to as Jomo. For most of Japanese history, Gunma was known as the province of Kosuke. Maebashi is the capital city of Gunma Prefecture in the northern Kanto region of Japan. Maebashi is known to be the city of water, greenery, and poets because of its pure waters, its rich nature, and because it gave birth to several Japanese contemporary poets. More traditional industries include sericulture and agriculture. Gunma's major agricultural products includes cabbages and konjacs. Gunma produces 90% of Japan's konjacs, and two-thirds of farms in the village of Sumagoi are cabbage farms. Also, the city of Ota is famous for the car industry, notably the well-known Subaru factory. One of only 8 landlocked prefectures in Japan, Gunma is the northwesternmost prefecture of the Kanto Plain, except for the central and southeast areas, where most of the population is concentrated. It is mostly mountainous. To the north are Niigata and Fukushima prefectures, while to the east lies Tochigi Prefecture. To the west lies the Nagano Prefecture, and Saitama Prefecture is to the south. Some of the major mountains in Gunma are Mount Akaji, Mount Haruna, Mount Myoji, Mount Nikushiran, and Mount Asama, which is located on the Nagano border. Major rivers include the Tone River, the Agatsuma River, and the Karasu River. Gunma has many hot spring resorts, and the most famous is Kusatsu Onsen. And another draw to the mountainous Gunma is the ski resorts. We are now on our way to Tambara Ski Park. Access to Tambara is about 50 minutes by free pick-up bus from Shinkansen Jowage Kogen Station. It is 2 hours driving from Kanto area, taking the Kanetsu Highway. We stopped over here and I found their old-fashioned toilet that we have here. And now we arrive in Tambara, Tokyo Resort. On winter season, it is rare ski resort with high quality powder snow located at an altitude of 1,250 up to 1,550 meters. In the summer months, Tambara's gentle ski slopes transform into a blanket of flowers. There are 50,000 lavender plants and various species early blooming, mid-season, and late blooming, which ensure a long flower season that lasts for early July to late August. The park has over 100 kinds of flowers, including some smaller gardens of sunflowers, hydrangeas, daylilies, and bergamot, making for plenty of photo opportunities. Park's ski lift, the woody-lined summer lift, provides bird's-eye views over the flower fields. Situated at an elevation of 1,300 meters, discover a world of soothing color where the breeze is filled with the fragrance of lavender and an unforgettable, peaceful sanctuary. Tambara Lavender Park for a summer of color that will never fade from memory.